You looking for an industrial automation job? And if so, in which functional area of automation would you apply and use your talents and knowledge towards? There are many automation job types for sure, and it doesn't mean if you pick a particular job you will stay with it throughout your career. Like any other career, you will have career goals and learn about job opportunities along the way. So get your foot in the door of a good organization, learn, and grow. These job functions will range from starting out your career, perhaps as an instrument and electrical technician, and then more advanced skill sets are required for programmable logic controller programmers, electrical and controls design, and then into IT-related functions such as business and process control network segmenting, database management administration duties for database design, SQL scripting for regulatory report generation, and historical data collection. Some of the exciting and challenging jobs performed by industrial controls automation professionals are automation product manager, project management, automation, industrial automation sales, automation controls engineer, automation application engineer, field systems engineering, PLC programmer, automation technician. This rewarding industry is in great demand for automation professionals like you, so join in this session to help get the upper edge on your next interview meeting. We will give you an idea of some job descriptions and provide some insight to prepare you with some frequently asked questions for your next job interview. Into the job interview. The job description and degree of responsibilities vary, and so you should align your capabilities with the experience required. What type of job interview questions will you be asked? Again, this will vary, and if you don't have the experience or direct answer, prepare yourself for the response. Question 1. What are the 5 IEC 1131 programming languages? Answer. Instruction list, structured text, ladder diagram, function block, and sequential function chart. Question 2. Explain PID-based control system. Answer. PID, or proportional integral derivative, is widely used in closed-loop control. PID controllers maintains the output to a device so that there is zero error between process variable input and set point to the device. Question 3. Please explain the difference between a PLC and DCS. Answer. A PLC, or programmable logic controller, is a ruggedized computer used for automating processes. A DCS, or distributed control system, is similar to a PLC in that it has rugged computer controllers. However, the DCS contains multiple autonomous controllers that are distributed throughout a system, also used for automating processes. Question 4. What is encoder? Answer. An encoder is a rotary device that outputs digital pulses, which from angular motion. The encoder consists of a wheel with alternating clear stripes detected by optical sensors to produce the digital outputs. Question 5. What are the different components used in automation? Answer. The components of automation system include sensors for sensing temperature, pressure, flow, level, and etc. Transmitters for transmitting the raw signal, control system which includes PLC, DCS, and PID controllers, output devices, and actuators like drives and control valves. Question 6. Who are the leading PLC providers? Answer. Leading PLC providers include Rockwell Automation Allen Bradley, Siemens, Schneider Modicon, and GE Fanuc. Question 7. Who are the leading DCS providers? Answer. The leading DCS providers include Yokogawa, Honeywell, Fisher Rosemont, ABB, Moore, and Foxborough. Question 8. Who are the leading SCADA software companies? Answer. Leading SCADA software companies are Aviva Wonderwear, GE Simplicity, GE iFix, Siemens WinCC, Iconix Genesis 64, Inductive Automation Ignition, Rockwell Software Factory TalkView. Question 9. What types of sensors are used for measuring? Answer: temperature, pressure, flow, level, conductivity, density, pH type sensors. Question 10. What is transmitter? Answer: a transmitter is an electronic device mounted in the field or plant close to a sensor. The sensor transduces a measured physical variable like temperature and then outputs a low electronic signal to a controller. The basic function of the transmitter is to sense the low-level signal, amplify it to a higher level, and transmit the signal to a controller. Question 11. Why is 4 to 20 milliamp preferred over 0 to 10 volt signal? Answer: the 0 to 10 volt signal has the tendency to weaken over a long distance because of resistance. The 4 to 20 milliamp can travel a long distance without dropping signal value. If the signal drops below 4 milliamps, the read value will be a negative value and can be determined as faulted or open wire. Question 12. Why is 4 to 20 milliamp preferred over 0 to 20 milliamp signal? Answer: with 0 to 20 milliamp, you cannot easily determine between minimum field value and a wire break. With the 4 to 20 milliamp, a wire break can be determined. When the input value is at minimum, the transmitter will provide 4 milliamps, while in with a wire break, it will provide 0 milliamps. Question 13. Difference between 2-wire, 3-wire, and 4-wire transmitters? Answer: for a 2-wire transmitter, the power and signal are transmitted through the same cable. For a 3-wire transmitter, the data signal and power are with respect to common ground. And for a 4-wire transmitter, 2 of the wires are used for power and 2 wires are used for signals. Be ready to answer a few more questions. For example, have you led any projects? Please explain how you were successful. This company was very interested in my ability to work within a team. Could you get along with a diverse group of people from different cultures? This concludes what are automation job types and associated job interview questions. I hope you've enjoyed learning about your next job. The automation technician will provide routine diagnostic checks, repair and maintain instruments, electrical wiring, mechanical plumbing, and control systems. They are fluent in, and in some cases have certified knowledge of electronics, mechanics, and programmable logic controllers. The field systems engineer will travel and provide on-site technical direction to customers to engineering and operations departments. Complete installation. Make field-related adjustments to programming and commissioning of related automated equipment. The automation engineer will design, program, simulate, and commission automated machines and plant-wide processes to perform many job functions. Depending on the size of the organization, this engineer will perform some or all of these responsibilities. The industrial automation sales engineer will be able to perform all of the duties of an automation engineer and, in many cases, the field systems engineer and technician. Just as important, they will have the skill sets to effectively develop and execute sales of automation solutions. So what can you earn as an automation professional? Of course, this varies on where you live, but according to our most recent research, the salary compensation for United States and Germany, for example, are on the average of $90,400 a year and €81,000 per year, respectively. The average salary of an automation engineer is $90,411 per year in the United States. Salary estimates are based on 3,356 salaries submitted anonymously to Indeed by automation engineer employees, users, and collected from past and present job advertisements on Indeed in the past 36 months. The typical tenure for an automation engineer is 1 to 3 years. The average automation engineer salary in Germany is 80,967 euro, or an equivalent hourly rate of 39 euro. In addition, they earn an average bonus of 3,101 euro. Salary estimates based on salary survey data collected directly from employers and anonymous employees in Germany. The job description and degree of responsibilities vary, and so you should align your capabilities with the experience required. Get your foot in the door and prove yourself to get the next level of experience. This could happen very fast, so keep learning. Now that we have learned about the automation job types, let's continue to learn more about some of the questions you'll be asked during an interview. In our next video, how to prepare for the interview questions as an automation engineer.